Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Life. I hope you're having a great day. It's always a pleasure to share a new episode with you. Before we start today's episode, a reminder that you have access to our easy-to-use episode map guide, which will link you to all 1,300 plus episodes around the globe. Just click on the map link below, zoom into any part of the planet, click on the blue, red, or orange dot to connect you directly with that episode. The episode title and details will appear on the left side. Click on the blue link and you're on to that vintage reel or video. You may want to zoom in closer as there may be more than one episode clustered together. And a special hello to everyone in San Diego. I hope to entertain you and pique your interest in obscure and fascinating vintage amateur footage from around the globe and over the past century. From deep in the archives, this is the third San Diego reel so far. Episode 286 and 287 capture footage of gliders, aircraft, and people at Torrey Pines in 1960. The San Diego and Coronado Ferry Company operated between 1931 and 1969. 5 boats ferried passengers and automobiles across the bay from San Diego to Coronado from early dawn to late evening every day. 3 of the 5 can be spotted in this footage: the Silver Strand, San Diego, and Crown City. The ferries ceased operation 2nd of August 1969 and went their separate ways when the San Diego-Coronado Bay Bridge opened. This footage, captured by an unknown cinematographer, appears to have been shot possibly weeks, if not days, before the opening of the new bridge. He captured wonderful details that only an enthusiast would consider, that may otherwise have been taken for granted over the previous 38 years. There's plenty of interesting background detail to appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, as that's the only way you'll learn of the new episodes being released Fridays and Saturdays. Thank you for helping fill in the blanks on all these episodes. On occasions, I do make mistakes. I mispronounce locations and sometimes overlook some details. I very much appreciate the corrections you share on the comments section. It's a delight seeing the collaboration among viewers. It's even more meaningful when I learn that a family member or friend is recognized, even 50 plus years later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be kind, and we'll see you next time on Real Life.